Hey, what are you doing here? You were in the last video, weren't you? Oh, very odd. Wants to find out a bit more about the passive income with YouTube videos. What sort of products to look for. Well, let's talk about that. Okay, let's just get round this roundabout and head into the pueblo. It's a beautiful view there. Yeah, well, the sort of things you're going to be looking for are products that people buy again and again and again, like monthly subscriptions. It works in the internet marketing space for autoresponders and web hosting and the like, and in lots of other niches. It works for memberships for magazines, for instance, and it works for people that buy supplements. They buy them month after month after month. It's recurring income from you. And there's a nice little, funny little bar on the corner here. little old lady runs it just on her own. There's a few customers in there. Funny little place. Now what's going on? This guy doesn't quite know what he wants. Gets a little bit tight through here. But so I hope that's given you an idea anyway. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that little ride into the pueblo and learnt a thing or two. I'm going to be writing more about that on my blog in the near future, so look, I'll give you a notification if you're interested in making passive income with videos. Okay, I'll let you know in perhaps the next video. See you then. Bye bye.